Food, the basic need of any living species. For human, it is more than just a basic need. It is treat, it is an enjoyment, it is friendship, it is protocol, it is celebration. Food, whether is in a raw form or a cooked form, a part of it becomes the source of waste. This waste mainly consists of vegetable peels, rotten fruits and vegetables, leftover portion of meat, eggshells, stale food and the excess food we throw out. This sort of waste is mainly generated from homes to hotels and in commercial kitchens. Thousands and thousands tons of food waste is generated daily all over the world. The waste management has become an important and critical activity across the world. Waste management means the process of waste collection, segregation, transportation, recycling and disposing. Increasingly large amount of waste is putting a lot of pressure on the civic governing bodies and their resources. This derails the process of waste management and leads to health and safety hazards to the community. The problem of waste management has reached a crisis level in many countries. The disposing is done by landfills, incineration, feeding to cattle and composting. The lack of sufficient sites for landfills is leading to illegal and unscientific landfillings, which is causing the health and environmental hazards like methane production, wind-blown litter, vermin. It is sometimes leading to deluge and flood-like situations in rainy season. Incineration is a controversial process from global emission standards point of view. Composting is giving back to the nature what you have taken from the nature. We are using a method which is slightly different from conventional composting. It is by feeding the kitchen waste directly to the plants along with the verming compost or culture. Let us see in brief how we do it. An ordinary earth pot is used for this. As done normally, the bed is made with proper filling at the bottom of the pot. Add one layer of kitchen waste in the pot. Spread one thin layer of vermin compost culture. If required, add one more batch of layers to bring the required level for keeping sapling at proper height. Plant the sapling on the last layer with due care. Add the waste and culture alternately around the sapling and bring the level sufficiently to the top. The topmost layer should be of the culture. One can use broken pot pieces or coconut hard covers to cover the top of the filling. Do not disturb this setup for at least 15 days except for watering. Meat products, dairy product waste may be avoided. Although this also gets decomposed but may smell bad and may attract pests. Normally, once in a week, waste feed is required to be added in these pots. If one makes 7 such plant pots and use these to dispose a daily waste, one can dispose of all kitchen waste in completely natural and eco-friendly method. By doing this properly, you will make a big contribution to the solution for one of the major civic problems, the waste disposal. I and my family have made this initiative as our normal practice. Many of my terrace garden plants are growing on direct kitchen waste. These our efforts are helping us in our journey on the road to go green.